loves, guess what I did this weekend? Yes, I went shopping. I went to not only TJ Maxx, but I went to Ross. Normally I don't go to Ross because mine isn't that great, but I went to one down by my sister's house and I found some pretty interesting makeup finds. So let's start with what I got from TJ Maxx because it is currently right in front of Movavi. I did do a little shop with me doodad, but I was super nervous, so it's like really quiet. One of them I didn't even talk, the other one I like whispered, so I mean at some point I'll probably upload it. But let's just talk about what I bought because I spent a lot of money. So first let's talk about what I have on my lippy loose. I found a Clinique Pop Liquid Matte Lip Color and Primer. This one is in the shade Black Licorice Pop, and it was $4.99. And I don't know why it's called Black Licorice, because Black Licorice is like actually black. But this color is so pretty, and I love the packaging. I love the frosted glass. And they had another shade there, but it was $6.99. I don't know why, but oh well, I like it. It's very comfortable as well. I have not looked up to see what the full prices are of any of these things, and you know what? I don't care to. I'm gonna let it go this time. Then I found this lip balm from the brand Farmacy. It's a honey ginger lip balm. It's called Lip Bloom. I don't know. It smells like tea, like, I don't know, like honey and ginger tea. This was $3.99. This here is a Lioele brush pen eyeliner. I have only ever heard Lioele from ShanXO. I think it's a Korean brand. They only had one there. It's not crazy black. Oh, well, that swatch was a little bit better than the ones I did before, but it's pretty light. It's a very soft applicator, though. Like, it feels nice. This was $2.99, so it's not like it was like a huge waste of money or anything. I just found it interesting because I'd never seen that brand any. And then from TJ Maxx again, I got a Real Techniques Blush Crush Diamond Sponge. I love these. They are so soft and so squishy. This is my third one. This was only $3.99, so why not just keep buying them because they're a lot cheaper than alternatives. Now on to the really exciting stuff that I found at TJ Maxx today. I could not believe it. So a few videos ago, I had found the Mermaid Tears from Too Faced. Today, I found Fairy Tears, but they only had the lipstick, not the lip gloss. I don't even know what this is supposed to look like, but I saw it and I was like, whoa! Let's swatch. It's just a really light iridescent pink. Can you see that right there? It's pretty, and I'm so into this kind of stuff. I know it's kind of lame, but I love it. And this was $6.99. Another Too Faced lip product I found. The next couple things I found like in a bin that hadn't been like put up on the shelves yet. I found another Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy. Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy. This one is in the shade Milkshake. I have two other ones. I have a mini of this one and I like it. And these are just so nice. They're so nice. These are like $22 and this was only $7. $6.99. Now, I found two other very cool things in that same bin that I could not believe that I found. Like, I had heard rumors that these were popping up in these stores, but I found some Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadows. I found a Shimmer and Glow in the shade Carefree and a Glitter and Glow in the shade Siren. I just dig me some mermaid crap. I have one of these, but it's in the shade Gypsy, which is kind of similar. These are so pretty. They're so pretty. I have that Cyndi Lauper song stuck in my head now just by saying Gypsy. Now the other one in the shade Carefree. This is a shimmer and glow, not a glitter and glow. Ooh, this is pretty. It almost looks like a rose gold. I diggeth rose gold. Wow. Look how pretty that is right there. Ooh. 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 I cannot wait to play with these more. These were each $6.99, and I think these go for like 24 bucks or something like that. So pretty. Now the last thing I got from TJ Maxx, I really didn't need this, but I saw it and I wanted it, so I bought it. Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Glace. Now I have a couple Viva La Juicies. I have Sucre and Rosé. Well, now I have Glace. It comes with a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, and look how cute it is. It's like a pearlescent, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgionious bottle. I'm kind of indifferent with the smell, but I had sprayed it on myself, and then my fiance came home and he was like, "You smell nice." And I was like, "Okay, cool." So it's good. And then it came with a mini little one, and it also came with a mini of the regular box, trying to steal the spotlight here. A mini of the regular Viva La Juicy, but I already gave that to my mom. And according to this little insert, it retailed for $79. It is a value of 136 bucks, and I spent $39.99. Okay, so that's everything from TJ Maxx. Let's move on to Ross. Like I said, I don't usually go to Ross. I used to go there all the time, but then we had a falling out when I moved. This, I was really shocked to see. I mean, I don't know if they carry the Balm a lot there, because usually I only see like random products, like random brands or drugstore brands. But I found this by theBalm. It's In the Balm of Your Hand, Volume 2, Greatest Hits. This has so much cool stuff in it. I love it. It has a Matte Reed eyeshadow from the Meet Matte Tri Mini palette, Firm from the Nude Dude palette, Alice Copper from Rockstar palette, Matte Russo from Meet Matte Adore, the Mary Luminizer highlighter, Bahama Mama bronzer, Down Boy blush, Frat Boy blush, and Instain blush, which kind of falls out. But I'll glue it back in, you know, whatever. I tried some of these out for the first time. I put the Bahama Mama bronzer on, and I actually really like it. I kind of dented it a little bit when I was opening the package, but it still works. And then I tried the Frat Boy blush, which was a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be. And then I threw on some of the Mary Lou, of course, which I do have a full size of because that's like iconic. And then I found this Buxom lip set. It is a plumped up mini lip kit. It has a $60 value. It was originally $36 and I paid $17.99. It comes with all these little mini lippies. Now, I knew already that I loved this. This is a full-on lip polish in the shade Sugar. I had gotten a mini one of these in a like Sephora, give me some lip Sephora favorites thingamabob, and I'm actually almost out of it. I use it that much. And then it also came with a full-on lip polish in the shade Dominique, this beautiful, just like, excuse me, clear sparkly color. Then it came with a, where's the name? Oh, a Viva Plump lipstick in Honey Dew. It's a, it's an interesting color, not something I would usually go for. It's right there in the middle, just like a tan shade. And then a matching lip liner, and it is so soft. Like, it's a really soft lip liner. I like it. And then two full-on lip creams in Rose Julep and Mudslide. I thought these were going to be like liquid lipsticks, but they're just like lip glosses. And I'm assuming that they have the same plumping feeling as the Buxom ones do. the Buxom ones. They're all Buxom. Bleh. The lip polishes. I really didn't know there was a difference. And then the last thing that I got from Ross was my favorite, simple cleansing wipes. I recently ran out, so it was perfect that I found them there. And they were only $3.99. And I am going to wipe all of these off before I stain something, because I've definitely done that many a times. Many a time. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love it so much. Then I know that I'm doing all of this for a purpose. I have a reason. Have a good day. Bye.